All right, what we got here is the 2015 Subaru Legacy, and we're gonna go ahead and change our windshield wipers. Got us a quick little clip right here as you go into it. They should all pretty much be similar to something like that. And then the Subis have this hook system. So whenever you go get your windshield wiper for wherever you go grab that sucker at, it'll tell you different styles. So just make sure you put this box style on to where it has this type of hook. Yep. Once you get it, you'll get it assembled. Go underneath it, push it up into it, clamp that piece back down, and you're done. Now remember on this one's gonna be really long, and your other one's gonna be short. So if you go over there and they give you two windshield wipers that are the same size, you got the wrong ones. And they're basically the same thing, all right? That's how that goes. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, put a comment at the bottom. You guys get the notifications, follow, and share this stuff with your friends if they got Subis. Make sure they know what kind of windshield wipers to go get and how it's easy to get put on. So, all right, guys, we'll talk to you later. Peace.